I'm Caitlin, and my partner Abryney and I are going to be presenting a smartboard lesson on the Pythagorean theorem. Introduction. The Pythagorean theorem was created by a Greek mathematician named Pythagoras. This theorem can only be used for right triangles, which is a triangle that has one 90-degree angle. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle and is denoted by the letter C, and the legs of the triangle are denoted as A and B.
So what exactly is the Pythagorean theorem used for? First, it is used to find the certain length of a right triangle when given two of the other lengths. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, with your a squared and your b squared are going to be your legs of your triangle, and your c is going to be the hypotenuse of a triangle. Here's our first example. Say we are given a right triangle, which should be denoted with this marking, indicates it's 90 degrees. One length is going to be 3, while the other length is going to be 4. We are trying to find the length of our hypotenuse, which is c. So the formula we will be using is going to be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remembering that our a squared and b squared are our legs, and c squared is the hypotenuse. So our a squared is 3 squared, our b squared is 4 squared, and we are still trying to solve for c squared. So 3 squared equals 9, and 4 squared equals 16, and that equals c squared. Now adding these two together, we get that 9 plus 16 equals 25, which equals c squared. So now, to solve for just c, we must find the square root of both 25 and c squared. So, the square root of 25 will give us 5, and the square root of c squared will just give us c. So, we have solved for our hypotenuse, which equals 5.
Here's our second example. For this example, let's take a right triangle where we know a length of one side, 6, and the length of the hypotenuse, which is 10. So for this example, we're going to be solving for b. So let's take the formula that we learned earlier. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Our a is 6, so we have 6 squared plus b squared equals c is 10, so 10 squared. 6 squared is 36. Carry the b squared, and 10 squared is 100. To solve for b squared, we need to subtract 36 from both sides. So we have b squared equals 64. To get b by itself, we need to take the square root of both sides. So we get b equals 8. Therefore, the second length of the triangle is 8. So we have a 6, 8, 10 triangle. Now we have learned how to use the Pythagorean theorem to find a side length or the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle. This is used for many things in geometry and calculus and will surely help you down the road. Thanks for watching our presentation.